everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Betway. Betway is an online sports betting platform. You can place your bets with Betway Online Sports and receive a 50% deposit matched welcome offer. In order to sign up for Betway, go and click open a web browser. In the URL box, type in betway.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Now, as soon as you reach to the official website, go and click on the register button in order to sign up at the upper right. You'll need to provide your information on the next page in order to sign up. Start by typing in a username for yourself and move on to the next field and create a password for your account. Once you type in the password that you would like to use, double check it by clicking on this eye icon at the right corner and confirm your password by typing it again in the next text field. Make sure both of the passwords in the boxes matches. If it does, you will know. You'll be able to see two tick marks at the right corner beside each boxes if your informations are valid. Now move on to the next field and type in an email address that you'd like to associate with your Betway account. Make sure to type in a valid email address that you have an access to, and finally click on next. Answer more personal details asked to you. Choose your title from the top. Enter your first name on the next field and then type in your last name on the next. Select your birthday information from the drop down. Now choose your country from the drop down below and click on next. Type in your address line into the boxes, enter your city and type in your postal code on the next field. Once you do so, select your state or your region, type in your mobile number by selecting your country code from the drop down and simply type in your mobile number. Now, right below, set your deposit limits that you can make daily, weekly, or monthly. Select from the drop down and choose your limits into the each boxes. On the next field, select your preferred language from the drop down by clicking on it and enter your currency. Click on I accept the welcome bonus terms and conditions and click on the next box as well. And now, if you'd like to receive latest promotions and exclusive offers, then you can click on these boxes over here. Choose how you'd like to receive communications. Choose from either SMS or email, or if you select all, you'll receive both emails and SMS. Finally, click on register, and soon after you do that, you will be signed up for Betway. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.